In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right BandLab app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so to get the right BandLab app, you need to go ahead and tap on Play Store. And from Play Store, go ahead and search using the search bar, or if you can see it, just go to search icon here and click on it. From here, go ahead and search for your app. So I'll just search BandLab as one word and then tap on the search icon, and you can see we have this is the BandLab app. So make sure it is from BandLab Technologies. This is the company that produced this app, and the tagline is Music Making Studio. At the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.7 with over 729,000 reviews, and currently the app has over 100 million downloads at the time of recording. Also, the file size for this app is averagely 31 MBs. So if you see these details and this is the logo, you'll know that you have the right app. Go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of BandLab app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can go ahead and now open it from here to start using the latest version of BandLab app. So that's how you can update BandLab app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.